In this question for part A, we're told that the X-ray provided an energy of 1253.6 electron volts. We need to convert this to the wavelength of the X-rays used in this experiment. So in order to do so, we can use the formula energy in electron volts is equal to 1239.8 over the wavelength, and this will be in nanometers. So if we rearrange this equation, the wavelength in nanometers would be equal to 1239.8